everyone, just see the few important and tough questions of circles of class 9th. Now see, the first question I have taken from NCERT और ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है और 110% ये क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा ही जाता है। देखो व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन। 3 गर्ल्स रेशमा, सलमा एंड मनदीप आर प्लेइंग अ गेम by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter. Okay, Reshma throws a ball to the Salma and Reshma throws a ball to the Salma throws a ball to the Mandeep. If distance between Reshma R for Reshma S for Salma is 6 meter and Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter, then you have to find the distance between Mandeep and Reshma. See, first of all we will make the diagram. See, its diagram is very simple. Now this is the circle. R for Reshma, this is the Reshma, and this is the Salma, and this is the Mandeep. Now in question, Reshma throws a ball to Salma, this, and Salma throws a ball to the Mandeep, and see, then Mandeep throws ball to the Reshma. See this. Now see, distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 meter. It is how much? 6 meter. And see, distance between Salma and Mandeep is also 6 meter. Now we have to find the distance between Mandeep and Reshma, that is MR we have to find. Now see, very easy question. And this is the center of circle and its radius is 5 meter. Now see, when two equal chords are there and if we will draw the angle bisector, then their angle bisector passes through the center of circle. Now see, this is okay. Now see, let this point be A. Now see, radius of circle is 5 meter, this will be 5 meter, and see, this whole distance will be also, this is also radius, this will be the 5 meter. Now see, now this is equal to this. Now perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord and this angle is 90 degree. Now anyhow अगर हमको आर ए मिल जाए तो उसका हम डबल कर देंगे तो आर एम मिल जाएगा. देखिए, वी डोंट नो दिस. लेट ओ ए इक्वल्स टू एक्स, ओ ए इक्वल्स टू एक्स, इसको हम एक्स ले लेंगे. Then AS equals to this much distance will be 5 minus x. I hope समझ में आ गया होगा. Now in triangle ROA we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now see, now in triangle ROA देखो 90 डिग्री सामने की साइड का स्क्वायर मीन्स 5 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ओके. Then this is RA square plus x square. ओके, अब देखो यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा, 25 हो जाएगा, RA स्क्वायर हो जाएगा और ये x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. अब इसको हम छोड़ देंगे. इसके बाद हम क्या देखेंगे, नाउ इन ट्रायंगल RAS, नाउ इन ट्रायंगल RAS देखो बेटा, यहाँ पर दिस इज आल्सो 90 डिग्री. अब कोई टेंशन लेने की बात नहीं. नाउ सी, वी विल अप्लाई द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. नाउ सी, दिस इज द 6. नाउ 6 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू दिस वन इज द आर ए का स्क्वायर प्लस दिस ए एस इज हाउ मच, 5 माइनस एक्स. सी, 5 माइनस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ वी विल सॉल्व. इट विल बी 36 आर ए का स्क्वायर, we will apply the identity, 25 हो जाएगा प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 10x. now see, we have to find the value of RA. see, there is the variable x. now just we will at the place of RA we will write this. now see here, 25 minus x square equals to RA square. इसको हम मान लेंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 1. now see 36 एंड सी, आर एक जगह पर हम ये रखेंगे 25 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 25 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 10x. अब देखो minus x square plus x, it will be cancelled. Now 36, it will be 50 minus 10x. अब इसको हम इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, 10x इक्वल टू 50 माइनस 36, 10x इक्वल्स टू 14, x इक्वल टू 14 upon 10, that is 1.4. Now see, this is the value of x, but we have to find the value of RA. Now see, we will put the value of x in equation 1. On putting x इक्वल्स टू 1.4 इन इक्वेशन 1, देखो क्या होगा, यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 25 माइनस एक्स की वैल्यू 1.4 का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू आर ए स्क्वायर। ओके, इसको हम करेंगे, देखो 25 हो जाएगा, 14 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है 196, 1.96 हो जाएगा, ये आर ए स्क्वायर। अब इसको ठीक है सॉल्व करेंगे, 23.04 इक्वल्स टू आर ए स्क्वायर हो जाएगा। अब इसको हम आर ए की वैल्यू क्या होगी, आर ए इक्वल्स टू 23.04, तो आर ए कितना हो जाएगा 4.8। नाउ सी, नाउ द perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. Now see, we have to find the MR. Therefore MR equals to 2 times RA, therefore 2 into 4.8, that is 4.8, that is it will be 9.6 meter. It will be 9.6 meter. Now see, I hope this method is lengthy and a little bit it is taking the time. Just you see the second method of this question. Okay, now see second question. I hope second method of this question, I hope second method will be very easy for you, and just see. Okay, now see here, now I am making diagram again so that the picture will be clear, very clear to you. Now see, this is the circle, this is the Reshma, this is the Salma, this is the Mandir. ओके, नाउ सी रेशमा ऐसे है, ये ऐसे है और ये ऐसे है। दिस इज द 6 मीटर, दिस इज द 6 मीटर, दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल, एंड सी दिस इज द 5 मीटर. ओके, दिस इज द 5 मीटर. नाउ सी, दिस इज द आई हैव टेकन ए. Now see, we will join this one OM. We will join OM like this. Okay, now what happened? Again we have to find MR. We have to find. Now see, this is the radius. This is also radius. Therefore this will be the 5, and this is the 5. This is the 6. And now see, this will be the 90 degree. This will be the 90 degree. Now just see, now in triangle MOS, now 3 sides are given. When in any triangle 3 sides are given and it is not right triangle, then we find its area by using Heron's formula. Now see, we will take A equals to 5, B equals to 5, this we will take A, this we will take B, and C equals to 6. Now see, what is Heron's formula? So area of triangle MOS, it will be square root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the Heron's formula. Now we will find S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is 5 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 2. ये कितना हो जाएगा 5 5 10 16 divided by 2 कितना हो जाएगा 8. Now see, at the place of S we will write 8. देखो बेटा 8 हो जाएगा, 8 minus 5 हो जाएगा, फिर 8 minus 5 हो जाएगा और 8 minus 6, क्योंकि A B C 5. अब देखो 5 और 6 हैं, ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये देखो 8 हो जाएगा, ये 3 हो जाएगा, ये 3 हो जाएगा, ये 2 हो जाएगा. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, देखो ये क्या हो जाएगा, मीन्स 4 इंटू 4, 3 इंटू 3. इसको क्या 4 3 जा 12. एरिया इज हाउ मच, इट इज कमिंग 12. See, area of any figure, it is the universal concept, area of any figure will be always same, but its methods can be different. Now see, this is also the right angle triangle. See, now again, area of triangle MOS equals to 1/2 base into height. Area is how much? 12. See, 1/2 बेस क्या होता है? जिस साइड पर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप होता है. बेस इज 5, हाइट that is, now this and this will be equal AM. Okay, now see, it will be 12, it will be 5 AM/2. इसको इधर ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे. 12 into 2, ये क्या हो जाएगा? 5 AM. 24 equals to 5 AM. Now AM equals to 24 divided by 5 equals to AM. देखो, जब हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? AM कितना आ जाएगा? 4.8. It will be 4.8. Now we have to find RM. RM will be double of this MA. It will be 2 into 4.8. It will be 9.6 meter. I hope this method is easier than the method we have done previously. Okay, now see one more question. Now I am making the first, I will make the diagram. See, I am going to make the diagram. Now see, question is what? In adjoining figure, OD is perpendicular to chord AB. This is also very easy question. Okay, now if anybody having any confusion, then just write in comment section. Okay, now see the question number 2. This is also very easy question. And see, what is question? Question is that, now see, I am going to make the diagram. See, this is the circle, this is the circle, this is the chord AB, this is the chord AB, this is the center of circle, and this is the center of circle, and this one is the diameter. Now see, this is the center of circle O, and see, this one is the CB. And see, in the figure, OD is perpendicular to chord AB. Now see, this OD, this is the OD, this OD, this is perpendicular to chord AB, and BC is the diameter. Then you have to show that AC parallel to this is the AC. We will join AC. Then we have to show that AC parallel to DO and AC equals to 2 times OD. देखिए कितना आसान क्वेश्चन, कितना हलवा क्वेश्चन. Now see, we know that perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. Now see, again I am telling you, the perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. Therefore, this will be equals to this. AD equals to DB. Now see, BC is the diameter. Now OC is the radius and OB is the radius. Therefore, this and this will be equal. Now just see, now in triangle ABC, now just remember the midpoint theorem. A line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of triangle is parallel to third side and half of the third side. Now see, now in triangle, see, now in triangle ABC, देखो बेटा, AD इक्वल्स टू DB गिवन है. ओके, उसके बाद क्या है, OB इक्वल्स टू OC रेडियाई ऑफ सर्कल है. ओके, this implies that, okay, this implies that this is the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of triangle. Then this will be parallel to third side. Now this will be parallel to this, and this will be the half of the third side. Again see, this implies that DO is parallel to the AC by MPT, midpoint theorem. And see, I have so many times I have told you, see, a line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of triangle is parallel to third side and half of the third side. This implies that DO equals to half of AC. Okay, now see, AC equals to 2 times DO, या AC equals to 2 times OD. 2 times OD. This one. I hope you have understood. Now see, one more important question, just you see, very important question. I am making the diagram. See, this question is based on concept. Now see the next question. That is question number 3rd. Now see, I am going to make the diagram. See, this is the circle. This is the circle. This is the center of circle. See, this A, B and O, D, C, and in question it is given OB equals to OC. This is the angle Y and this is the angle X. Now just you have to prove that, what you have to prove that? Prove that X equals to 3 times Y. Now see, now in question C, I am reading the question. AB is the chord of a circle with center O. AB is produced to C such that BC equals to OB. See, BC equals to OB. Also CO is joined. CO is joined C, and produced to meet the circle in D. When CO is produced, it is meeting on the circle at D, and we have to prove that. C, very easy question. Now just see. Now in triangle BOC, see, the two sides are equal. In any triangle, when two sides are equal, then angles opposite to them will be also equal. Now see, now in triangle, see, solution देखो. Now in triangle BOC, what is given? OB equals to OC. This is given. Sorry, OB equals to BC. OB equals to BC. This is given. Now see, therefore this angle will be also equals to Y. This angle, see, देखो ध्यान से. This implies that angle BOC equals to Y. रीजन क्या होगा? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. अब देखो बेटा, ध्यान से देखो. Now see, you see, now this is the triangle BOC. Now this is the exterior angle. Okay, this is the exterior angle. Now see, we don't know, let this angle be 1. Now see, therefore 1 is the exterior angle, therefore angle 1 equals to Y plus Y, that is angle 1 equals to 2Y. रीजन क्या होगा? एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. ये क्या होगा? एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी क्या प्रॉपर्टी है? the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. See, so this angle will be 2y. Okay, this angle will be 2y. Now see, now in triangle देखो बेटा AOB, this triangle, now in triangle AOB. Now see, OA is the radius of circle, OB is the radius of circle. See, so this will be now, so this and this will be also equal. Now in triangle AOB, angle देखो बेटा, angle OAB इक्वल्स टू 2y. ये भी एंगल क्या हो जाएगा, 2y, रीजन सेम होगा. ठीक है, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. अब उसके बाद देखो, नाउ इन ट्रायंगल AOC. ये ट्रायंगल देखो AOC में, नाउ दिस वन इज द exterior angle, and exterior angle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. This implies that x equals to 2y plus y, that is x equals to 3y. देखो, hence it is proved. Now see, this question is also very simple. And see one more question, just you see one more question, and that is I hope question number 4. And see, that question is also very easy question. Okay, now see, now AB and AC are the two chord of the circle such that AB equals to 2 times AC. Now see, question number 4. Now see, this is the circle, this is the center of circle. Now see, AB and AC are two chords such that AB equals to 2 times AC. Now see, this is the AC and this one is the AB. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन. एंड इन क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन AB इक्वल्स टू 2 टाइम्स AC. देखने से भी लग रहा है. एंड आफ्टर दैट P and Q are distances of AB and AC from the center of circle. See, it's perpendicular distance है ना. P and Q are the distances of AB and AC. P is the perpendicular distance from center to AB. ये P हो गया, ये हो गया. And Q is the perpendicular distance from center to AC. ये Q देखो, ये ध्यान से देखो, ये क्या हो गया, ये दिस इज द Q, ये सॉरी दिस इज द Q and this one. Okay, then prove that 4Q square, क्या प्रूव करना, प्रूव दैट 4P square, सॉरी 4Q square इक्वल्स टू P square प्लस 3R square. देखो बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन. Now see, AB is 2 times of AC. Now see, we know that perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. Now see, AB. Now we will take AC as 2x. We will take, देखो ध्यान से, AC equals to 2x. This one AC, बहुत ही अच्छी. तो AB will be 2 times of 2x, it will be 4x. ये देखो, ये डिस्टेंस कितनी हो जाएगी, ये 4x हो जाएगी. अब देखो, we will join OA, इसको ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. दिस विल बी द रेडियस. ओके, नाउ सी द परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम सेंटर टू chord. नाउ दिस विल बी द x and this will be the let this point be the M and this point be the L. एम ए इक्वल्स टू एक्स, एल ए इक्वल्स टू इसका हाफ हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 2x। अब कुछ नहीं, जस्ट वी हैव टू अप्लाई द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। सी नाउ इन ट्रायंगल, नाउ इन ट्रायंगल, कौन सा ट्रायंगल है? AOM, AOM। सी दिस इज द right angle triangle, या right angle triangle, so it will be, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem, r square equals to q square plus x square, पढ़ा रहने देंगे। उसके बाद now in triangle, now in triangle, कौन सा ट्रायंगल? देखो ये AOL, apply the Pythagoras theorem। see again it will be r square equals to, ध्यान से देखो, r square and this will be p, see this one is the p square plus 2x का होल स्क्वायर। अब देखो r स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू p स्क्वायर प्लस 4x स्क्वायर। अब देखो प्रूविंग में हमें कहीं पर x स्क्वायर नहीं आ रहा है, इस x स्क्वायर को हटाना है। तो देखो यहाँ पर आर स्क्वायर माइनस क्यू स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू एक्स स्क्वायर, इसको मान लेंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 1। नाउ सी, अब आर स्क्वायर पी स्क्वायर और यहाँ पर हम वैल्यू पुट करेंगे एक्स स्क्वायर की, तो आर स्क्वायर माइनस क्यू स्क्वायर, रीजन क्या होगा? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1। नाउ आर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू पी स्क्वायर प्लस 4r स्क्वायर माइनस 4q स्क्वायर। अब देखो इधर हम 4q स्क्वायर इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे, 4q स्क्वायर, और इधर क्या हो जाएगा? p स्क्वायर प्लस 4r स्क्वायर माइनस r स्क्वायर, 4q स्क्वायर, ये p स्क्वायर और ये 3r स्क्वायर। नाउ सी दिस इज द solution. I hope you have understood. If anybody having any confusion, then just write in comment section, and one humble request, just keep on watching my video and also support me, and at last but not in least, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.